In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tone in ElevenLabs fast and easy. If you're looking to give your project a more dynamic and expressive edge, adjusting the tone of your voice synthesis in ElevenLabs can make all the difference. This guide will take you through the process step by step so that you can start leveraging the tone variation capabilities quickly and effectively. Let's begin by selecting a voice that supports tone variation. This is crucial because not all voices may have this functionality enabled. When choosing a voice, make sure to preview a few options to find the one that best fits your project's theme and purpose. Voices with tone variation will normally have options for customization in the settings. If you're unsure, it may be helpful to look for voice descriptions or listen to samples provided by ElevenLabs to gauge which voices might work best. Once you have chosen the right voice, you'll want to make use of the stability and style exaggeration sliders. These sliders give you the power to creatively control how natural or exaggerated the voice sounds. You'll find these sliders within the voice customization settings in ElevenLabs. The interaction between these two sliders is key to achieving the desired tone, so it's worth spending a few moments experimenting with them. To create a more natural delivery, you'll need to lower the stability slider. This adjustment allows the voice to sound less robotic and more like an organic human speech pattern. Lower stability introduces subtle variations in the delivery, which can bring a pleasant naturalness to the voice. Be mindful, though, as dropping the stability too low might make the output sound a bit too erratic, so aim for a balance that retains clarity while enhancing realism. Meanwhile, for a more expressive tone, consider increasing the style exaggeration slider. This slider is your go-to tool for infusing the voice with emotion and character. A higher exaggeration will dramatize the delivery, making the voice more animated and engaging. It's perfect for creative projects where you want to convey more vivid emotions like excitement or urgency. However, as with stability, it's important to be moderate. Too much exaggeration can potentially lead to an over-the-top performance that may not suit all contexts. Feel free to adjust these sliders back and forth until you strike a perfect blend of stability and exaggeration that aligns with your vision. Each project has its unique demands, so a little testing can go a long way in finding the ideal tone for your specific needs. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manipulate tone in ElevenLabs. With these adjustments, you'll be well on your way to creating richer, more captivating audio content. Don't forget to play around and have fun while you're at it. The beauty of ElevenLabs lies in its flexibility and creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy voice crafting.